420 Timberline. This home actually is located in a cul-de-sac. You will absolutely love how quiet it is. This home also features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and even a 2-car garage, and you will love the price. Let's go inside. So I am sitting obviously in the living room, but there's an additional huge family room downstairs that I know you will love. I also want to show you the kitchen. These owners did a lot of work in here to make this kitchen open and bright for this living area as well. So we have that open concept. So they painted the cabinets, redid the countertops, put new flooring in, and it just really opened it up and made it bright. As you can see, I'm standing in one of 2 remodeled bathrooms. Granite countertops, upgraded cabinets, tile on the floor. It's really nice. Backyard. It has a sprinkler system, new sod, and actually 2 decks. So we have this deck and this other one. And we're lucky enough today that we have Julie Condelario with Wall and Bulk with us, and she's going to give us a little recap of the payment on this house at Timberline Court.
So the payment on this purchase price of
$189,500.
Going FHA, WCDA, which is the best combination there is. You only need $1,500 down. That gives you a payment of a total payment of $1,220. You can't beat that, and I don't think you can rent from us.
Yes, so call me to come see this house today, and call Julie and let's get you pre-qualified to buy this house.
Yes.
We want you to love where you live. Make it a great home buying and selling day. See you soon.